Hi, I'm Glenetta Griffin with Clayton County Access Television. The holiday seasons have arrived, and we're here with Officer Will Tillman with the Clayton County Police Department. He's going to give us some holiday tips to help us protect our citizens this season. How are you today?
I'm fine, Glenetta. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you so much for joining us. So we're going to jump right into it. Let's talk about driving. What are some driving tips that our citizens could take this season?
Driving tips. Citizens, if you're going to shop at night, make sure that you park in well-lit areas. You don't want to be an easy target for any of the criminal elements that are out there. That's number one. Safety is first. Also, you don't want to leave your packages in the car. I mean, sometimes when you're getting out of the car, jumping from store to store, you get tunnel vision, and you don't want to, your gifts to just be sitting there and then be an easy target to.
Okay, and let's talk about shopping. This is a huge shopping season right now. What kind of tips can you give us for our citizens?
Well, for shopping, you want to stay alert. Be aware of your surroundings. Keep your head on a swivel. Just be mindful of everybody that's around you, and even in the lines, people like to pickpocket during this time, and keep your purses and your wallets close to you, and try to avoid carrying large amounts of cash if possible.
Absolutely, absolutely. Use that debit card if you need to, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so let's talk about our children. How do we protect our children this holiday season?
Well, with the children, I mean, a lot of times the parents leave the children at home while they go try to pick up the toys. They want it to be a surprise. Right. With all good intentions, you don't want to you don't want to deviate from what's natural, and that's to keep your children safe. You want to keep them alert of all the exits of the home and the fire escapes and all of those things, and also have them know their names, the full names, even the younger children, the names, right, mom's phone number, and all of the emergency contacts that they could give to the police if something happened at the home.
Okay. Absolutely. And then you're speaking of home, so we have to talk about protecting our homes. And
right,
I know I've always been taught to not take out your trash and leave the things that I bought so everyone can know what's in the house. So let's talk about some tips about protecting our homes.
Well, even protecting the home in general, you want to, when you get those nice things during the holidays, all the boxes and everything that you get, you want to at least cut them up if possible, and don't show what the item is, because you're telling everyone what you have in the house.
Right.
You also keep it in another tip could be keeping it in a black bag, or instead of the plastic, keep it in a black bag so people aren't aware of what exactly is in the home.
Absolutely. So I'm in my home and a stranger's knocking on my door. What do I do?
Well, stranger danger, like anything else. You don't want to let them in.
Right.
If you don't know them, don't answer the door. That's first off.
Okay.
But during this time of year, a lot of times people like to give to charities and donate to charities, so that's pretty common during this time of year. If you don't recognize the company, if it's not a reputable company, don't even bother. Go ahead and give to the company that you already been given to or that you feel comfortable with.
Okay, and we actually had a question submitted to our television station about discharging firearms. Let's talk about that. How important is that?
Well, very important. Year-round, I mean, guns are just something that can be used for good and evil, but during the times that the holidays, people like to celebrate by shooting up in the air during the New Year's and even 4th of July or any celebration. But there's so many other safer ways to celebrate. What goes up must come down.
Right.
Even with the fireworks. If you need a reason to celebrate, use the sparklers or things that aren't going to go up and project out and possibly hit anything.
All right, these have been some wonderful tips. Thank you so much. How can the citizens find out more information?
They can visit us on the web at claytonpolice.com, and also they can like us on Facebook. There's a link on the page where there's a recap of the holiday safety tips that we discussed.
Thank you so much. This has been another holiday safety moment with Clayton County Access Television. I'm your host, Glenetta Griffin.